In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block IP addresses in Cloudflare. This process is essential if you're looking to protect your website from unwanted visitors or potential security threats. It's a straightforward task, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can enhance the security of your online presence with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to your Cloudflare account home. If you haven't yet logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're at the home page, you should see a list of domains or websites that you manage. Click on the domain or website for which you want to set up the IP block. It's important to choose the correct domain, as any changes you make will only apply to the selected site. Once you've selected your domain, look for the Security tab and click on it. This is where you'll find all the necessary security settings you need to manage. After you're in the security settings, you'll see a settings section. Click on settings to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled IP access rule. This is a crucial section that allows you to define rules for granting or denying access based on IP addresses. Click on Create IP Access Custom Rule to begin creating a new rule. In the IP access rule setup, you'll need to enter the IP address or the range of addresses that you'd like to block. Be careful to input the correct values here to ensure that only the intended IPs are affected. Double check if necessary, especially if you're blocking a range. After you've entered the IP address or range, move over to the Action drop-down box. It's essential here to select the Block option. This will set the rule to actively block any connections from the IP addresses you've specified. Next, you need to choose the zone for your rule. In this context, a zone refers to either a specific domain or all domains associated with your account. Decide whether this rule should apply to just the one domain you're working with or if it should be enforced across all your managed websites. Once you've configured the IP address, action, and zone, it's time to finalize everything by clicking on Deploy. This action confirms and publishes your new IP access rule, ensuring it takes effect immediately. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an IP block on Cloudflare, adding an extra layer of security to your website. Regularly reviewing and updating these settings is a good practice to maintain a secure online environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process.